Polar bears are the largest land carnivorous animals in the world. They are native to the Arctic region and dependent on the fat of ice seals for their food. It is one of the most incredible marine animals and loves to spend their time on the Arctic Sea. The fur of polar bears is thicker than other bears because of the climatic condition of the Arctic region. Also, fur covered their feet so that they can comfortably walk on ice. Polar bears have blubber inside their fur, which provides them buoyancy and insulation. Polar bears used to travel a long way in search of their food. As per data from the World Conservation Union, IUCN, there are around 20 to 25,000 seals in the world. The population of polar bears mostly seen in the Arctic region of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Russia, and Norway. However, due to depleting ice, polar bears have to travel long distances in search of its prey. Camels are one of the oldest domesticated animals in the world. They are primarily used for transportation because they can easily carry 90 kilograms of weight while walking around 32 kilometers during an extreme condition of deserts. Camels are one of the most amazing animals because they can run as fast as horses. Also, they can spend a long time without food or water. Apart from transportation, camels are also used for leather, milk, wool, and meat. Camel dung can be used for fuels. Camel can live up to 40% weight loss and can drink approximately 142 gallons of water at one go. It is one of the most useful animals to human beings. The temperature of the camel body ranges from 34 mostly in the night to 41 degrees in the day. The species can run over at a speed of 40 miles per hour, and when provoked they spit greenish substance from their stomach. Sometimes they also hit their opponent in the action self-defense. Wolf is the ancestors of domestic dogs. Grey wolf looks similar to German shepherds or Malamutes. They are known for their amazing hunting and leadership skills. It is also known as the timber wolf or western wolf. Wolves love to eat large mammals, including moose, elk, caribou, and deer. Wolves also come under scavengers category, i.e. they also eat animals that have died due to other factors. There were times when gray wolves are seen all around North America. However, now they are reduced to regions like Pacific Northwest, Alaska, Canada, and Northern Rockies. It is one of the loudest animals in the world. The largest member of the Canidae family that includes domestic dogs, African hunting dogs with many types of foxes and several other types of jackals. The species run on their toes that help them to stop and turn quickly. The gestation is around 65 days. You will be surprised to know that wolf pups are born both deaf and blind. The emperor penguin is the heaviest and tallest among all the 17 known species of penguins in the world. It is also listed as one of the largest birds in the world. They are native to Antarctica. Emperor penguin can survive at -70 degrees Celsius, making it one of the most amazing animals in the world. Also, they can withstand winds blowing at a speed of 100 to 140 kilometers. Baby penguins are one of the cutest baby animals in the world. Emperor penguin loves to breed on sea ice near Antarctica. The breeding colonies can be up to 200 kilometers from the open sea. As per current data, there are about 595,000 emperor penguins, and the population is also stable. They love to eat mainly fish in Antarctica. It is also one of the most beautiful Antarctic animals. The species is specially trained to travel in an extreme habitat. The aerodynamic bodies end them to glide through the water with much speed and agility. They can dive over 565 m and can stay under for more than 20 minutes. The species is considered as near threatened, according to the IUCN Red List. However, the range is large and have an average lifespan of 15 to 20 years in the wild. Mountain goat. One of the world's most amazing animals, mountain goat does not belong to the same genus of goats family. Instead, they come under antelopes, gazelles, and cattle. Mountain goats are native to alpine and subalpine environments. At high altitudes, mostly above 13,000 feet, they are the largest mammal in the world. One of the advantages of living at high altitudes is that they are protected from predators. Usually, in summer, they spend most of the time at high altitude. However, in winters they used to migrate at lower altitudes. If you want to know the age of mountain goat, you just need to count the number of rings in their horns. The average lifespan of a mountain goat is 9 to 12 years. It is one of the most dangerous goat breeds. One of the mountain goat cubs is born. These young goats move around the rocks along with the mother. Dolphins are one of the most intelligent animals in the world. They are also one of the most curious and playful animals in the world. The unique feature of dolphins is that they used to rest one side of the brain at once. This will help them to protect them from predators and allows them to come at the surface of the water for air. Dolphins use echolocation to find food and navigate. They can even jump at 20 feet out of the water. They love to stay in groups and cooperate with each other to raise offsprings and to get food. Dolphins have two stomachs, where one is used for storage of food, where the other is used for digestion. One of the amazing divers can dive over 1,000 feet underwater. Currently, there are 40 species of dolphins, where the majority of them spend their lives in salt water. However, much of them survive in fresh water. The smallest dolphin can have a size of 3 to 4 feet long, and the largest can be 30 feet. Leopard can be seen in many parts of the world, including sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, India, and China. Leopards are big cats known for their golden and spotted bodies. They are also known for their hunting skills. It is also one of the strongest animals among big cats, who are capable of climbing trees, even when carrying its prey. Also, they love to rest on tree branches during the daytime. It will also help them to protect themselves from predators. Leopards can run at a speed of 58 kilometers per hour and can leap up to 6 m horizontally and 3 m vertically. This will make leopard one of the world's most amazing animals. The nocturnal animals are active during the night, where they are in search of food, and mostly spend their days resting, preferably on the trees, or hiding in the caves. The female leopards can give birth to any time of the year, and usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs at a time. Leopard mothers stay with the cub until he is 2 years old. The tiger is the largest cat species, and usually known for its pattern of dark vertical stripes on their reddish-orange fur scattered all around the body. Tigers are also one of the most powerful apex predators in the world that can even kill animals twice of their size. It is also nocturnal hunters, and even travels a long way in search of its prey like buffalo, deer, and wild boar. Only old and injured tigers have been known to attack humans. It is also one of the strongest animals in the world. The biggest cats in the world can survive the climates of Asia and Russia, that too, from tropical rainforest and savannas to the Siberian forests. The animal species are solitary animal and meet only during mating season. It will mark their territory with a mixture of the urine and liquid from a gland that has an intensive smell. It loves to eat large mammals such as wild boars and deer. The average lifespan of the animal species is around 10 to 15 years in the wild and around 20 in captivity. Great white shark, known as one of the most dangerous animals in the world. Great white shark is a species of large lamniform shark and can be seen mostly in all the oceans except Antarctica. It can be called by various names like white shark, white pointer, great white, and white death. They love to live in cooler waters that have a temperature ranging from 54 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. In a single year, great white sharks eat an average of 11 tons of food. Great white shark weighs around 1,500 to 2,40 pounds, which is approximately 1 ton. Also, like other shark species, female great white sharks grow much larger as compared to male species. Chimpanzee is one of our closest relatives, sharing about 98% DNA. They are primarily native to Africa, however, most of them can also be seen in grassland and woodland areas of West and Central Africa. Their body is covered with long dark hair. One of the most social animals, loves to live in large communities of 150 members. They are also one of the most endangered species. Commercial hunting and loss of habitat reduced their population from 2 million to 300,000. Chimpanzee is omnivorous, that means they can eat both plants and animals. Chimpanzees are 6 to 7 times stronger than humans. Chimpanzee also used to organize games among their community when they are bored. It is one of the world's most animals in the world. The species give birth to a baby every 3 to 4 years, and the bond between mother and the cub is very strong to 7 years. The baby chimpanzee has white tail tuft that disappears in time. However, a chimpanzee can walk on 2 legs